Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making 3 different flavors of vegan ice cream, alkaline vegan ice cream or nice cream. And this first one is called, I named it New Moon. And the second one is going to be a berry mix. And the third one is going to be cherry vanilla. So stick around all the way to the end and you will be able to make all 3 of these recipes very easily. So this first one, the New Moon, is blackberry, and those are frozen blackberries. This is 2/3 of a cup coconut milk, and that is very thick and creamy coconut milk. And also I added more later, so I used 1 cup of it total, and there's a link for that in the description. It's the coconut milk that I get in a carton, but the top stays a really thick cream if you let it separate, so it's thicker than average coconut milk. And I used a little bit less than 2/3 of a cup agave. And that was also 1 teaspoon vanilla. This was very good. Just blend it up until it's smooth as can be. And then if you have an ice cream maker, you can put it in the ice cream maker and let it slowly churn. But if not, you can just put it in the freezer, or you can eat it as is. It's a very thick smoothie bowl like this, or you can let it set for a couple hours in the freezer. Oh man, you have now mastered the world. Now that you can have healthy ice cream, what's stopping us? So I'm going to have some of it just as is because it's really good, like a super thick milkshake or a smoothie bowl. There you have it. Now for the next one. These are frozen raspberries. Gonna wash them off, put them in the food processor. Now they're frozen into chunks. One teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup agave nectar. I used more for this one because, as you can see, there are more berries, completely filling up the food processor to the brim. And this is the coconut cream. You could use coconut milk like I did for the last one, but this I used the thick coconut cream. Now this has been in the refrigerator, that's why it is so hard. And this is also, there's a link to this in the description as well. And then also I'm using the coconut milk. One cup. And this was a little bit too much liquid, so I added more berries into it later. Could have just added half a cup of coconut milk there and it would have been thicker. And I'm adding some frozen blueberries, and also I add some frozen blackberries to thicken this up because I was out of raspberries. Very simple ingredients, but very tasty. Alkaline sweetener. What could be better? If you have a sweet tooth like me, check out some of our other videos. We have alkaline vegan Snickers ice cream bars, which are pretty much my favorite thing to eat. If it wasn't cold out, I would be eating them right now. I also like ice cream, and we have a cake recipe just out. We have crepes recipes, berry cobbler. We have a lot of different healthy sweets that you can eat without any guilt. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We've been releasing videos every single day, and I appreciate all the new subscribers. So here's the third recipe. Thank you for sticking around this far. This is the cherry vanilla. We're using frozen cherries, organic cherries of course, coconut cream. We were out of the carton, so this time I show you what it's like out of a can. And this one is from Trader Joe's. There's no additives in it. I usually don't use it from a can because there are usually things added to it. Plus, I prefer a carton over a can. Now for the agave. Two-thirds of a cup. Teaspoon of vanilla, which I end up adding more agave and more vanilla. So I ended up adding about 2.5 teaspoons, which is almost a tablespoon of vanilla, which is quite a lot. And I added more agave. So I tasted this a few times just to make sure. And I just added a little half teaspoon at a time just to make sure I wasn't ruining it. I also added a pinch of salt and more frozen cherries. I just wanted this to pop with that vanilla flavor, and it was very, very, very cherry. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the likes and your comments. If you have a recipe you would like me to make an alkaline version of, comment below and I will do my best. There's a lot of videos on deck to come out very soon, so definitely subscribe. We've got another cake video coming out or just released. We have a lot of great content coming that I already filmed, and I'm really excited to release that. And finally, once I got enough agave and vanilla, this is ready to either put in the ice cream machine or into the freezer. Thanks again for watching. This has been Alkaline TV. Make sure to check out the description for lots of different links. And if you're ready to go all in and go alkaline, change your health, change your life, I have a 12-week transformation program, and there's a link in the description to schedule a free call with me. So I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day on purpose. Peace.